Welcome back to the Chemistry of Life, where we explore the intricate world of healthcare, wellness, and its integration with chemistry. I'm your host Rudransh, and today we are with Dr. Atrey Garg, who is a senior consultant and surgeon specializing in advanced laparoscopic surgery and robotic surgery at Max Healthcare. Good evening, doctor. Could you tell
Hi,
us a little bit about yourself?
myself Dr. Atregar. I am a senior consultant at Max Group of Hospital, Delhi. I am specializes in laparoscopic surgery, robotic surgeries, and general surgeries.
Okay. So, in general surgeries, I've also heard that you do a lot of gallbladder surgeries.
Yeah, it's a very common surgery nowadays.
You said that is common. Like, have there been a rising amount of cases recently?
Yes, out of 10 patients, we used to do around 5 patients are gallbladder stone,
Okay.
just because of sedentary lifestyles of us, and it's also common in females. Females of 40. It is said that their hormonal imbalance and all that may cause gallstone,
Okay.
but most common cause is our sedentary lifestyle. है ना?
Sedentary lifestyle.
That causes a cholesterol to deposit in the gallbladder wall. There is a crystallization of bile,
I see.
then it becomes a stone.
Okay. And are there any medications that can take out, like, dissolve the stones internally?
No, there are no as such medication. This is all about quackery. Some
Okay.
people claim that these medicine can dissolve the
Yes.
gallbladder stone, but that is not true.
Okay.
It may happen for kidney stones, ureter stone, है
Okay.
ना? Medicine there can help,
Okay.
but
But
in
for
gallstone there is only one treatment:
gallbladder.
removal of gallbladder itself.
Oh, okay. Because in the past, when my mom had gallbladder stones, I had heard that there was some medication she could take to dissolve the stones, but then again, it put her at the risk of cancer in the future.
No.
No, nothing like that.
If there is gallstone for long time, for
Okay.
say 20 to 30 years,
Yeah.
so it can cause cancer.
I see.
It's not about that medicine you are
Okay.
giving. That medicine is nothing more than quackery,
Okay.
whomsoever is giving it. No medicine is meant for dissolving gallstone. As simple
I
as
see.
that. There is only one treatment from gallstone is to remove it.
Okay.
Whether it is laparoscopically, whether it is robotic surgery, whether it is open surgery.
Okay. And how often do you suggest people go for checkups? Because I know the gallbladder stones, by the time you find out about them, it's already too late. So how often would you suggest that people go to check up?
We don't tell people about the screening. There are two
Okay.
things. One is screening. We just say if एक आदमी आ रहा है मेरे पास चलते हुए, मैं उससे कहता हूँ कि एक अल्ट्रासाउंड करा लेना वैसे ही
हाँ
कि
जी.
आपकी 40 एज है या 50 एज है, ऐसा नहीं. If
Okay.
there are any symptoms, patient is complaining, I am having pain, bloating, even
I
pain
see.
is radiating towards back, then I would recommend a ultrasound to get done. If
Okay.
there is any stone, then I would recommend you should get it treated surgically.
So a gallbladder stone can also cause back pain.
Yeah, it can be referred. It
Understood.
can gallbladder is in position. It's below the liver. You know,
Okay.
it causes inflammation.
Mhm.
Then it irritates the diaphragm.
Okay.
That can cause pain in back and even on right shoulder also.
Okay. So irritation of diaphragm, can that cause any breathing issues?
Rare. It
Rarely.
can, but it's rare.
Oh,
Mostly there will be dull itching pain types.
I
There is
see.
a dull pain, is heaviness. You know?
And during surgery, you often give patients anesthesia. Yeah. Is anesthesia safe?
Yeah. We talk about 50 years and now there
Okay.
is very much difference in anesthesia.
Okay.
Like 50 years back, we use chloroform.
Chloroform.
है ना, you have seen in Bollywood movies, वो
Yeah, I've
विलेन
heard
आता था,
it's
रुमाल में रख के
not.
ऐसे
हाँ जी,
सुंघा
हाँ जी.
देता था, बेहोश कर देता था.
Yeah, yeah.
That was used for anesthesia.
Okay.
है ना, better chemical was there, ether, but
Ether.
these were very dangerous drugs. है ना,
Okay.
these can cause cardiac issues, neurological issues. Post-op
I see.
recovery was very bad. Patient was like agitated after
Okay.
anesthesia. है ना, patient was like run amok कि नहीं, वो छोड़ दो, मुझे भागना है.
Yeah.
Today, anesthesia is totally changed due to evolution of new gases like sevoflurane, isoflurane. These are
Okay.
very, uh, can I say, soothing type of drugs. You know,
I see.
post-op, when patient comes out of anesthesia, he's comfortable. Even maybe a little bit of dizzy, but no
Okay.
agitation, no nothing. You know, these are cardiac safe medicine.
To me,
So
that just sounds similar to alcohol. The patient is relaxed. They're
No, no,
okay. No.
no. Alcohol is a totally different thing.
Yeah.
We can't compare it with anesthesia. Some
Understood.
drugs are like ketamine. Those were used previously.
Okay.
They can produce symptoms like alcohol.
Okay.
You know,
So it can also.
पेशेंट वुड सटर आई में वो कुछ भी मतलब उस तरह के
see.
करता था. वो भी ड्रग्स अब कम हो गई. अब जो ड्रग्स हैं बहुत एडवांस हैं. मोस्टली गैसेज यूज होती हैं.
Okay.
सीवोफ्लोरेन, आइसोफ्लोरेन, हेलोथेन, है ना.
Understood.
हाँ, दीज आर वेरी गुड फॉर पेशेंट मतलब ओवरऑल.
Okay.
क्योंकि ये बॉडी में बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक रहती नहीं है. जैसे ही इनका सर्कुलेशन बंद करते हैं 20-30 सेकंड में ये आउट ऑफ द बॉडी.
Understood.
हाँ, तो जो हमारी केमिस्ट्री और केमिकल्स का जो इवोल्यूशन हुआ है वो बहुत बेटर हुआ है. अगर हम 50 साल का लास्ट का एनेस्थीसिया का देखें.
And does it have any like long-term side effects on the body as well? And how does
No,
it like
no.
break down in the body?
No, 15 to 20 second gases are out.
Oh, okay.
There are no residual medicines.
Nowadays, anesthesia is a gas and not an injection.
Some of injection,
Okay.
like painkiller, muscle relaxant,
Understood.
but majority of anesthesia is inhalation.
Okay.
That's why we put a tube
I see.
inside the lung, ना, through which gases go through lungs,
Diffuses right
and
into the
diffuses.
blood.
हाँ. और best part is कि these gases यूं निकलती है. मतलब हमारे ब्लड सर्कुलेशन से 20-30 सेकंड से बाहर
Oh,
कुछ
okay.
भी बचना ही नहीं. तो फिर क्या साइड इफेक्ट?
Understood. So what do you think can be better? Like, what about surgical drugs can be better in the future? Like, are there any drugs currently that cause any specific side effects that can be made?
Some of
better?
them, like I told, ketamine.
Okay.
When patient comes out of effect of it, it's like a withdrawal, hangover, and all that.
Okay.
है ना? But these are very few drugs remain
And what's ketamine used for?
to sedate.
Okay, so it's similar to anesthesia
हाँ,
only.
हाँ. It causes your anesthesia has 2 to 3 parts. One is muscle relaxation.
Okay.
When I am doing surgery, muscle is relaxed. If
Okay.
muscle would be stiff, I
You
can't
will
do
not
a
be able to
surgery.
get through. Yes.
Okay. Second thing, amnesia.
Hmm.
ताकि पेशेंट को याद नहीं रहे कुछ. पेशेंट
Okay.
को एक बार इंजेक्शन लगा, उसके बाद जब वो सर्जरी के बाद उठा,
Yeah.
उसको वही याद है.
Okay.
तो इसके 2-3 पार्ट है. एक मतलब आपके ब्रेन के लिए है कि वो ब्रेन सो जाए, वो भूल जाए कि कुछ हुआ भी था. और सेकंड पार्ट जो बॉडी के मस्कुलेचर पे काम कर रहा है कि मसल रिलैक्स है. तो 2 ही अलग अलग पार्ट होते हैं, उनके लिए अलग अलग ड्रग्स.
So is there any long-term thing where if somebody takes anesthesia, do they lose any of their past memories?
No, nothing.
Nothing.
It's for that interval only.
Okay.
These are highly specified drugs जिनका मोड ऑफ एक्शन और सारी चीज़ें इस तरह से ही है कि वो 1 घंटे की सर्जरी है तो 1 घंटे ही वो भूला रहेगा. ऐसा नहीं कि एक दिन पहले उसने खाना खाया तो वो भूल जाएगा या क्या पहना था, है ना.
Understood.
It's for that duration only.
Okay. And do you have to like specifically measure how much of the drug to be
Yes,
given?
yes.
for
It's
what
about
duration?
weight, age, cardiac status,
Okay.
patient neurological status,
I see.
patient's kidney status. There are multiple factors.
So is there anything with the, obviously we know that if any drug is diffused into our bloodstream, it will eventually be filtered through the kidneys.
Kidney, liver, different.
So do are kidney patients like prone to the side effects of anesthesia?
Not as such, because
Okay.
renal transplant is also done under anesthesia. But we have to take care of which drug we are giving, like painkiller. The patient has kidney dysfunction, so we have to reduce the dose of painkiller.
I see.
Type of painkiller.
Okay.
We would prefer narcotics rather than NSAIDs like diclofenac, that is a common drug.
Okay.
We don't use that. Okay. Some of antibiotics, they need dose reduction.
Okay.
My
My next question is, if somebody is like, let's say, going through dialysis, then does the anesthesia not naturally leave their system?
No. Anesthesia,
It still leaves the system.
हाँ,
Even though the
गैसेस तो
blood is
लंग्स और लीवर और सब जगह से मेटाबोलाइज हो रही है ना.
Okay.
डिफरेंट ऑर्गन से में, केवल किडनी पे नहीं है. जो ड्रग्स किडनी से ही मेटाबोलाइज हो रही है वो हम यूज नहीं करेंगे.
Okay, understood. So
हर
you
ड्रग
have to
का
use-
अलग अलग है. कुछ
you have to
लीवर
use-
किसी को फिल्टर कर रहा है, किसी को किडनी कर रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है हर ड्रग को किडनी फिल्टर कर रही है. सबका अलग अलग स्पेक्ट्रम है.
Understood.